Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people may be looking for ways to make money with cryptocurrency, but not everyone is skilled at trading, especially beginners. So today I'm going to share 3 ways beginners can use Coinbase to earn money without trading, whether you are a beginner or an experienced crypto enthusiast. There is something here for you. But before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with everything crypto. Alright, let's dive in. So Coinbase is currently the only cryptocurrency exchange listed on the NASDAQ and is a major custodian for US cryptocurrency ETFs. So Coinbase is very safe and legitimate. So the first way to make money on Coinbase without trading is by signing up and claiming the sign-up bonus. This is a quick and easy way to get your first bit of crypto income. So first, go to Coinbase account and click the button in the top right corner that says sign up to begin the sign up process. So it is like creating an account anywhere else. So you will need to fill your names and email address and set the password you will remember. So take your time to make sure everything is accurate and you know how important that is. So next, the fun part begins. After your first cryptocurrency purchase on Coinbase, you can unlock a bonus. So once that's done, return to your Coinbase dashboard and look for spin wheel. As we can see here, giving a spin and you may win anywhere from $3 to $200 in whether USD or Bitcoins. A little welcome gift to the crypto world. The second way to earn on Coinbase without trading is learn on Coinbase. Yes, you hear that right. Learning can make you money. When you log into your Coinbase account, you can find something called the learning area, which is here. Here, you can learn the basics of cryptocurrency through some quick and fun courses. After completing each module, you can take a test. If you pass, you get token rewards like here. These rewards are provided in collaboration with various crypto projects. Though the rewards are small, it is a great way for beginners to earn free money while learning. So think of Coinbase as a crypto classroom where you can earn a bit of cash while gaining knowledge. So the third way to earn on Coinbase without trading is earn passive income through staking. On the Coinbase website, you can find an asset called USDC, which is Coinbase USD backed stablecoin. So what is USD stablecoin? It is a cryptocurrency backed by the US dollar, maintaining the 1-1 pegged with the dollar. So if you hold USDC in your Coinbase account, you can see the option to earn or stake. Click get started with USDC and let your USDC start earning money for you. Currently, we can see that Coinbase offers a very attractive interest rate for staking USDC, which is 5.15% passive income, with much higher than bank interest rate. This means that even your idle money on Coinbase can work for you 24 hours for 7 days. Besides staking USDC for high risk-free interest, you can also stake other cryptocurrency to earn passive income. However, this earn feature may not be available everywhere due to the regulatory restriction in some countries. If it is available in your region, that's great. So you can find the staking button on the Coinbase website, which is here in the earn sessions. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to stake and click on start earnings and proceed. Staking involves using your tokens to help validate and process transactions on the blockchain network. In return, you will receive token rewards. So to illustrate, let's take Ethereum and so as example, the APY for Ethereum is 2.63%, which means if you invest like $1,000 a year, you will earn 26.3 if the price remains the same, or potentially more if the price increases. On the other hand, so offers a higher APY of 5.7%, meaning that with the same $1,000 investment, you will earn 57 after a year. Therefore, your earnings on Coinbase depend significantly on the cryptocurrency you decide to stake. Additionally, beginners on Coinbase can easily apply for a Coinbase debit card. Just log into your Coinbase account to see if you are eligible. If you are and you apply, you can use the Coinbase debit card for everyday purchases, directly spending your crypto like USDC. More interestingly, you can choose to receive cashbacks in crypto such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies, making it very convenient. In conclusion, Coinbase is like your gateway to the crypto world, offering many opportunities to explore cryptocurrencies, whether through bonuses, stakings, or debit cards. The crypto world is like a new frontier. Having Coinbase as your partners makes it very convenient. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on making money with crypto. And happy trading! See you in the next video.